Good morning, sharks!
Buenos días, tiburones. Welcome to morning announcements.
It's a tiring Monday today like usual, but I know we can get through it. Isabella, by chance you know what's happening around the school?
Yes, we have an engaging week coming on board. Why don't we start with upcoming events? Today is the boys soccer playoff at Trash Power Stadium, so let's go and cheer for them. Hoy es el partido de los chicos en el Trash Power Stadium. Vayamos a apoyar a esos tiburones. Tuesday, November 11th is Veterans Day. Remember to honor all who have served in the United States Armed Forces. Este martes es el Día de los Veteranos, por lo que no tenemos escuela, pero recuerden a las personas que sirvieron en el ejército. Don't forget the Thanksgiving canned food drive. The top 2 classes that collect the most cans are going to win a donut party. Suerte a todas las clases.
Espero que mi clase gane.
Claro, tu clase puede ganar si que todos colaboran con las latas de comida. Por cierto, ¿qué vamos a tener de almuerzo hoy día?
Great question. Today's lunch lineup sounds delicious. On today's menu we have chicken breast sandwiches, vegan nuggets, spicy chicken sandwich, and on the side, curly fries, garlic knots, salad, and fresh fruit. Make sure you grab something good to eat and enjoy your lunch break. Also, did you know there will be video segments throughout the morning announcements about our school?
Yes, the first segment is about our Cambridge Global Perspective class. Would you like to see him?
Of course. Is that even a question? Let's play it.
Here in the Cambridge program, students refer to the internationally known academic curriculum that leads to Advanced International Certificate of Education, a prestigious qualification that holds global recognition.
Bienvenidos a Perspectivas Globales. En este curso de Perspectivas Globales, los estudiantes desarrollan pensamiento crítico, investigación, comunicación y a través de la exploración de desafíos globales y la creación de soluciones. Los estudiantes se convierten en pensadores críticos, investigadores, creativos y comunicadores competentes. Habilidades como la investigación, el análisis, la evaluación, la comunicación, la colaboración, la reflexión y se fortalecen constantemente. Además, el curso aumenta la creatividad y la capacidad de proponer respuestas a problemas del mundo real. Esas competencias permiten a los estudiantes interpretar la información de los medios y evaluarla cuidadosamente, siguiendo el enfoque Cambridge.
Hi, welcome to Global Perspectives. Global Perspectives is a subject that equips students with critical thinking, research, and communication qualities by exploring global challenges and developing solutions. Through this course, students will grow as critical thinkers, creative investigators, and strong communicators. Skills such as research, analysis, evaluation, communication, collaboration, and reflection are constantly being improved in students during this course. These skills allow students to use information given to them by the media and carefully judge it.
In Global Perspectives, we don't just study worldwide issues, we also look at them from a national perspective. That means seeing how one country experiences and responds to global challenges. For example, in the United States, native animals are important to our economy, ecosystems, and well-being. Agencies like the Department of the Interior and the NOAA work to protect these species while controlling invasive ones that harm ecosystems. This shows how global problems like invasive species affect our nation and why protecting local wildlife is key to our future.
Look outside, what do you see? People who are left without homes, people who can barely afford the next meal, kids who are unable to attend school. This day and age, there's so many problems, and they all start in your very own city. Even the smallest acts bring about a change for the greater good. You don't have to solve global issues. Tell me what has greater impact in your life. Something happening in Russia, or something that could be happening to someone you hold dearly.
Hey there! Curiosity, knowledge, and creativity run on student minds on a daily. This inspires research. But what is research? It's the gathering of information to improve and expand one's intelligence. If used correctly, it could benefit in a plethora of ways. Research is found everywhere you look. For instance, books, articles, and the news, just to name a few, hold all that desired research that you seek.
Hello, I'm Kevin S. Getting information is good, but it is only when students analyze the information that they can do something with it. In the Global Perspectives course, students will understand how to interpret data, synthesize arguments, find evidence, and understand causes and consequences. As students understand, interpret, and use data, they will complete challenges posted in the challenges folder.
Global Perspectives is a course that means having a new approach to viewing the world one is evolved in. The skill evaluation plays a big role in this course. Evaluation includes carrying out meaningful assessments. This includes analyzing the global context and impacts of issues.
Students who are good at communicating like to talk. They also like to sing, dance, write, and make videos. When they talk to a large audience, they can make them think the same way as them and have the same ideas.
Global perspective students are collaborative. They find ways to work together constructively with their peers as a team. In the Global Perspectives Cambridge course, students create, explore global issues, analyze different perspectives, and develop solutions, culminating and then coming together as a class to discuss them. By learning this important skill, Global Perspective students are able to share ideas at the highest level. Discussing topics and issues globally is the foundation for the Global Perspectives course.
Without a knowledge of the world around us, we are unable to understand the problems capable of affecting our lives.
In this course, students analyze and discuss data that helps them make a viewpoint for universal citizens.
Take Model UN, a simulation in which Global Perspective students participate and practice diplomacy as if they were attending a real United Nations conference.
This course has many activities for students to be encouraged to speech and debate built upon topics and issues. In this course, we debate, discuss, and research how to resolve issues. Overall, this course is a great way to educate and opinionate outsiders on major issues happening globally and in the modern world.
Global Perspectives helps us understand the world around us. Multiple Perspectives helps us understand the opinion about other people around us.
There are many needs for multiple perspectives when doing something that affects society. This helps us understand our Earth and how people feel about a certain situation.
In Global Perspectives, students sit back, think about approaches they have taken towards understanding topics and undergoing challenges, new information they have learned, details they might be missing, and how a global, national, and local issues affect them. Learning is about you as a person. We are here to help you understand how to become a deep learner.
Global Perspectives 6-7!
This is the very first of many amazing videos we'll be filming throughout this year, so stay tuned.
Mi nombre es Isabel, estoy aquí junto con
Elizabeth.
We're so excited to start this journey with all of you to share news, fun moments, and everything happening around our school. Así que prepárense para un año lleno de energía, creatividad y espíritu tiburón.
Let's make it a great day, sharks. Bye!